Excuse me.
Padaan po.
Where's the principal's office?
Saan banda ang principal's office?
Can you help me?
Pwede mo ba akong tulungan?
Can we be friends?
Pwede ba tayong maging magkaibigan?
What time is it?
Anong oras na?
What time is our next class?
Anong oras ang susunod nating klase?
Take your sit.
Umupo na kayo.
We're blockmates, right?
Magka-blockmates tayo, di ba?
I'm Max, by the way.
Ako nga pala si Max.
Do you have an extra ball pen that I can borrow?
Meron ka bang extra ballpen na pwede kong mahiram?
Can I ask for a piece of paper?
Pwedeng humingi ng papel?
Do we have assignment?
Meron ba tayong assignment?
Hands up.
Itaas ang kamay.
Who knows the answer?
Sino ang may alam ng sagot?
Who knows the correct answer?
Sino ang may alam ng tamang sagot?
I didn't understand. Can you repeat it, please?
Hindi ko po naintindihan. Pwede bang pakiulit?
Class dismissed.
Tapos na ang klase.
Why are you late?
Bakit ka late? Bakit ka late?
Do we have class today?
Meron ba tayong pasok ngayon?
Pass your papers to the front.
Ipasa ang papel sa harap.
Stand up.
Tumayo. Tumayo.
Keep quiet.
Huwag maingay. Huwag maingay.
Please minimize your voice.
Pakihinaan ang boses ninyo.
Silence.
Katahimikan. Katahimikan.
Listen to the reporter.
Makinig kayo sa reporter.
You have 1 hour to finish the exam.
Meron kayong 1 oras para tapusin ang exam.
No cheating, please.
Pakiusap, bawal mandaya.
No talking to your seatmate.
Bawal makipag-usap sa katabi.
Why are you absent yesterday?
Bakit ka absent kahapon?
If you have question, raise your right hand.
Kung meron kayong tanong, itaas lang ang kanang kamay.
Did you bring your book?
Dala mo yung libro mo. Dala mo yung libro mo.
Do you have book in calculus?
May libro ka ba sa calculus?
Do you know the answer?
Alam mo ba ang sagot?
Can you explain it to me?
Pwede mo ba to ipaliwanag sa akin?
What sports are you into?
Anong sports mo?
Let's go together.
Sabay na tayo.
Are you going to the acquaintance party?
Pupunta ka ba sa acquaintance party?
How much is this rice meal?
Magkano ang rice meal?
Is ID required in going to the library?
Kailangan ba ng ID para makapasok sa library?
I'm ready to play.
Handa na akong maglaro.
Thanks for the help.
Salamat sa pagtulong.
Check your notes.
Paki-check ng notes nyo.
Class, listen.
Class, makinig kayo.
Choose your groupmates.
Mamili na kayo ng magiging groupmates nyo.
See you next class.
Kita tayo sa susunod na klase.